If your Nintendo Switch control stick is drifting, lagging, or just not responding right, it's often caused by dust buildup under the stick, worn out internal sensors, or outdated calibration data. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step and get your joystick working properly again. So let's jump right in. Fix 1. Recalibrate the control stick. On your Switch, go to System Settings, scroll down to Controllers and Sensors. On the right side, use your touch panel to find and tap Calibrate Control Sticks. Push the stick in the direction it's showing on the screen and follow the on-screen steps. This helps reset any incorrect data stored in the system and can solve minor issues instantly. Fix 2. Clean around the stick. Use a can of compressed air to spray around the base of your joystick while moving it around. You can also use a soft brush or cotton swab, lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol. Gently work around the stick to loosen up dust or debris stuck underneath. Don't flood it, just a little bit goes a long way. Fix 3. Update the controller firmware. On your Switch, go to System Settings. Scroll down to Controllers and Sensors again. Now scroll down and tap Update Controllers. This checks and updates the firmware on your Joy-Cons or Pro controller, which can fix responsiveness issues that come from software glitches. Solution 4. Swap Joy-Cons or use another controller. If you have another set of Joy-Cons or a Pro controller, pair that with your Switch. If the other controllers work fine, then your original stick has a hardware problem. In that case, you might need to repair or replacement. Well, I believe some of you have already fixed your problem by now, but if nothing worked for you, it's likely that the potentiometer inside the analog stick is worn out. This is the tiny part that senses movement. You can try a DIY stick replacement kit, or the safest option is to send it to Nintendo for repair, especially if you're still under warranty. So that's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.